Go, Becca. Go.
My dog can barely go walk in this thing. Yeah. I got polo boots on, bro. Come on. I'm already outside. Oh no, I'll get him. Bro, I'm right outside. It's like your truck. Oh, it's for him. Oh, Becca, come here.
She said, heck no.
Come here.
I'm not going over there.
Come on. Come on. Come here.
She's stuck.
Damn, so cold it died. Ah. No, Becca, come this way. Oh, he's trying to take a shortcut. Becca.
Call her out of the street, or
Come here. You're having so much fun.
no, get her out of the street.